Hello, my dear students, and welcome you all to our English grammar class. Today, we will discuss the concept of articles. See, what are articles? Articles are the words that are used before the nouns. Articles are used before the nouns and they inform us whether the noun is specific noun or general noun. They gives us the information that the noun which we are talking is a specific noun or a general noun. In English language, there are three articles. There are three articles that are a, and, the. So these three articles are divided into two kinds, that is definite article and indefinite article. See, indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is the. So let us understand the uses of these two types of articles, where we use indefinite articles and where we use definite articles. So first understand where we are using indefinite articles. Okay, a and an are the indefinite articles, and we use a with the words that starts with consonant sound, and we use an with the words that starts with vowel sound. Let's take the example. See, a is used with the consonant sounds, for example, a park, a man, a boy, a girl, etc. These all words are starting with a consonant sound, so we use a with them. Then an is used with the vowel sound. The nouns which are pronounced with the vowel sounds, or they are starting with the vowel sound, with those nouns we are using an. So there are some examples of articles where we will use an. There are some examples of the nouns where we will use an. For example, an egg, an eagle, an owl, etc. An artist. So these are the basic uses of a and an. But some words are starting with consonant sound, but they are pronounced as a vowel sound. They are pronounced as a vowel sound. For example, honorable, our. These are the words that are starting actually with H, but H is silent there, and pronunciation is the vowel, that is O, and that is why we need to use an with these words also. Means the article an is also used with the words or nouns that are starting with the consonant sound, but they are pronounced as a vowel sound. The same is with a also. A is also used with the words that are starting with actually the vowel sound, but their pronunciation is like a consonant sound. So the examples of these are unique, uniform, etc. Okay, so now let us understand where we are using the indefinite articles. Again, there are some more uses of indefinite articles, so let us see that one by one. See, when we are referring to one number only, when we are talking about one noun only, that time also we are using the indefinite article. For example, Kamal has a new bicycle. Kamal has a new bicycle. So here new bicycle is a singular noun, so we have used a with that. Okay. Then second use, when we are talking about the habitual occurrence or something that happens again and again. For example, take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine twice a day. Then we are also using indefinite articles when we talk about the profession or occupation. For example, my father is a teacher. I want to become an engineer. Okay, so here we are referring to professions and occupation. That time also we are using the indefinite articles, that is a and an. Now let us understand what is definite article. Okay, so here we have studied already, or we have seen already, that the is the definite article, and we are using definite article to refer to a particular noun, or when we are talking about something again after having mentioned it once before. Means what? We have already used that particular noun previously, and again we are talking about the same noun. That time we are using definite article the. Now let us understand where we use the definite article. So here are some uses of the definite article. We use the when we talk about a particular person. When we are talking about a particular person. For example, my mother met the principal. So we are talking about principal. That is a particular person. So we will use definite article the. Okay. Then second use of definite article the is we use it with the names of the books or the newspapers. For example, the Quran, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, like this. Okay. Then we are using definite article the when we use the superlative degree or the superlative form of the adjectives. For example, he is the best actor. Amazon is the deepest river in the world, like this. Okay. Then we also use the when we are talking about the noun that represents a whole class, that is representing the whole class. For example, the roses are beautiful. The leopard can climb the tree. Here we are not talking about only a single leopard, we are talking about all the group of the leopards. So we have used the definite article. Again we are using the with ordinal numbers. With ordinal numbers, for example, first, second, third, last. These are the ordinal numbers and we are using the with them. Okay. Then when we are talking about the noun which is unique or only one of its kind, that time also we are using the. For example, the moon, the sun, the earth, etc. Okay. Then we are also using definite article with musical instruments. That is, Bhavya is learning to play the guitar, the tabla, like this. Okay. Again, we use the definite article with the nouns that are proper nouns or the names of such nouns like rivers, oceans, deserts, buildings, monuments, newspaper, holy books, or trains. For example, the Rajdhani Express, the Pacific Ocean, the Indus, the Bible, the West Indies, or the Taj Mahal, etc. So here today we have discussed the uses of the articles. I hope you all might have understood where to use definite article and where to use indefinite article. Thank you.